So let's see what we can get for $10. Seed library. Should we get some seeds? The garden starts here. I love this. I like this. It's kind of warm to grow this now though. These are all cool season crops. Oh, there. Okay, we got some seeds. Yay. And some cups with some tags. Challenge has begun. These are so cute.
Are they a 10 on the cute scale?
Oh my gosh.
They can pick one.
Yeah?
Put that down.
Okay.
Fill this up.
Oh my gosh. These are so adorable.
To me, eggs are just fun. One second, Catherine will get right to you.
Okay.
Look at that. We got another free
Okay, Bill's
plant.
ready.
Okay, which color would you like?
Thank you. I think I'm going to show us like 10 native plants that are good to grow in our landscaping.
No, because we don't have choose a topic or we give them so
Turkey rub.
pressure canning.
And we can make pumpkin pie spice mix. Ooh, this one looks good.
Yeah, it's always the initial getting them started, but once they're established, they really take care of themselves.
Entrance. Ooh, they got plumeria cuttings for sale. Native plants. I love it. Ooh, we should get some natives. And I think these are $2 per pot. So we can get like 5 of these. How are you?
Did you bring your own?
Yeah. My little.
I didn't think about that. How are you doing?
I'm good.
Good to see you.
Good to see you too.
What are you getting today?
We're trying to do a $10 challenge and see what we could get. So far it's free.
All right, I need.
Oh, vermicompost. We could also get some worms. Worms. Are you guys selling worms?
We have some.
Yeah, you get a great big old container.
Live in
Okay.
because they don't like sun, but
Yeah.
there's
Oh.
plenty in there.
I'll take one bin.
No, they're not going to want to stay in here and not in the immediate like hot.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
So happy.
Yeah. So happy for worms. Calendula, zinnias. Those are tomatoes. Tomatillos. Oh my gosh, I'm getting so much good stuff for this challenge. Hi, Mary Lou.
Hi.
How are you?
How are you?
I'm good. Bladder pods.
It's a yellow flower and it's supposed to repel insects.
Oh, I'm gonna get emerald fire. Oh, excuse me. Emerald fire. What are these? Oh, calendula.
I went
Okay.
just threw them out, so I don't know.
Those are
I've got a
nice,
lot of the other ones.
nice flowers. Bladder pod, desert mallow, buckwheat. There's some native plants. And then 3. $11. Hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you? Yeah. Okay, guys, check out what we got in this haul. I got some worms. I love worms. And then we got some peppers. Been looking for some hot peppers. And then we got some free plants. I got a native grass here. This is a blue grama grass. And then I also got some tomatillos, which I was looking for. These are so tiny, but there's 4 of them in here. And these guys grow so big. And then check this cute, adorable little succulent planter. It's a little egg. So cute. I also got some free seeds from the seed lending library. Check out your own local library because you might have a seed lending library too. You could get some free seeds. We got some tomatoes and some cabbage, Napa cabbage, my favorite. And then they also gave us some potting stuff, a little plant pot, and then some labels. So I did go over a little bit on my budget. It was $10, but I paid $11 for this. I think it's a pretty good haul for $11. What do you think? We had a great time at this expo. I got plants. I learned a lot of things about our natives. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your garden friends. Thanks so much for taking the time to hang out with us. Bye, see you next time. Can you see me do the moonwalk? Oh my gosh, I'm falling into the plants.